If you're also struggling with hair fall, dryness, dandruff, or thinning hair, then today's video could be a total game changer for you. I'm going to share with you a hair oil that can start showing results in just 2 to 3 weeks. This is Rosemary and Aloe Vera Hair Growth Oil, 100% natural, chemical-free, and made right in your kitchen. Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest hair problem right now? Hair fall, dryness, or dandruff? This oil won't just stop hair fall. It will also help new hair grow, deeply nourish your scalp, and make your hair so soft and shiny that people will ask, "What did you use on your hair?" And the best part, unlike expensive products that only make promises, this one truly works because every single ingredient is backed by strong science, which I'm going to explain to you in detail today. So first, let's talk about aloe vera. Now, everyone knows aloe vera. It's a natural healer for our scalp. It reduces dryness, soothes irritation, and strengthens hair roots. But aloe vera has one small problem. Inside it, there's a yellow liquid called aloin. Aloin can be irritating for the skin and scalp, and with regular use, it can even increase hair fall. That's why removing it is very important. Take fresh aloe vera leaves and first wash them thoroughly with water. Now, fill a bowl with clean water and soak the leaves in it for half an hour. In this time, you'll notice the water turning slightly yellow. That's the aloin coming out. Do not skip this step because it's what will make your oil scalp-friendly. After half an hour, cut off the thorny edges on both sides of the aloe vera leaf. Now, chop it into small pieces and put it in a blender to make a paste. If you prefer, instead of grinding it, you can just use the small pieces directly. Now for the fun part, our remaining ingredients and why they make this oil super powerful. For the base, we'll take 250 grams of coconut oil in a saucepan. Coconut oil has been used for hair for centuries. It contains fatty acids that penetrate deep into the hair shaft, reducing dryness, split ends, and breakage. Regular use also helps reduce scalp infections. Next, we'll add our aloe vera gel paste. As I mentioned, it soothes the scalp, reduces itchiness and dandruff, and creates the perfect environment for hair growth. Now we add curry leaves. I'm taking about 20 to 25 fresh leaves. Curry leaves are rich in vitamin B complex and antioxidants, which prevent premature graying and nourish hair follicles, making the roots stronger. Next, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds. They're packed with lecithin and protein, which moisturize hair, control frizz, and can even help regrow hair in bald patches. Now we add 3 teaspoons of dried rosemary leaves. You can use fresh or dry. Rosemary improves blood circulation in the scalp, activating hair follicles for new growth. It also helps prevent dandruff and premature graying. Finally, 2 teaspoons of dried hibiscus leaves. Hibiscus naturally conditions hair, prevents hair fall, and boosts growth. With regular use, it makes hair glossy and thick. Mix all these ingredients well. Place the pan on the stove over low heat. Always keep the flame low because high heat can destroy the oil's nutrients. Keep stirring continuously. Which of these is your favorite hair ingredient? And which one have you never tried before? Comment below and I'll make a separate video about it. As the oil heats up, you'll hear a light crackling sound. That's the water from the aloe vera evaporating. Cook until the aloe vera gel dries out and the ingredients change color. This process will take about 12 to 15 minutes. And trust me, the aroma that fills your kitchen during this step is pure magic for your scalp. Tell me, in your kitchen, what's that one smell that instantly tells you your dish is cooking perfectly? Here's an important tip. Patience is key here. Don't increase the flame or the oil can burn and lose its nutrients. Once the oil is ready, Turn off the heat and let it cool completely. Take a clean, dry glass jar, place a cloth over it, then a strainer, and strain the oil so the solid particles are removed. Now add 3 teaspoons of castor oil. Castor oil contains ricinoleic acid, which boosts blood circulation in the scalp and activates dormant hair follicles. With regular use, it increases hair thickness, especially for people with naturally thin hair. It forms a protective layer over the hair shaft, reducing dryness and split ends. It also prevents scalp infections, dandruff, and itchiness, and it instantly makes dry and frizzy hair soft and manageable. After that, add 2 vitamin E capsules. Vitamin E protects against damage caused by free radicals, reducing hair fall. It balances the scalp's oil production, reducing both dryness and excessive oiliness. It strengthens the hair roots, reducing breakage and split ends. It also helps repair damage caused by heat styling, coloring, and pollution. Mix everything well. This oil can be stored for up to 6 months. Just keep it away from moisture. Apply this oil to your scalp 3 to 4 times a week. When massaging, use your fingertips, not your nails, to avoid scratching your scalp. Leave it on for at least an hour before washing with a mild shampoo. If your hair is very dry, you can even leave it overnight. With regular use, in just 2 to 3 weeks, you'll notice reduced hair fall, softer and more manageable hair, and new baby hair starting to grow. So that's my rosemary and aloe vera hair oil recipe. Completely natural, simple, and super effective. If you're looking for a chemical-free, budget-friendly solution, definitely give this a try and tell me in the comments how you liked it. Now it's your turn. Make it, try it, and share your results with me. May your hair grow strong, long, and healthy with a beautiful shine. That's my wish for you. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of your beautiful hair.